From the main menu, navigate to the Orders tab, where all pharmacy orders associated with the wholesaler are displayed in a structured view along with their current status. Within the Order Details page, a clear breakdown is provided covering purchase products, order totals, shipping charges, platform fees, and any applicable discounts. The wholesaler can also access the Send Invoice option to initiate the payment process. Upon selecting Send Invoice, a pop-up window appears where the wholesaler can enter payment details, including bank name, account number, and routing number, or alternatively share the invoice link before sending it to the pharmacy. Within the order workflow, the wholesaler can accept orders based on availability, after which the system displays the invoice details submitted during the invoice process. The wholesaler can then proceed by entering the invoice number, tracking number, and carrier details to enable shipment tracking. After dispatch, the wholesaler can mark the order as delivered using the Mark as Delivered option, upon which the order is moved to the Delivered section. Additionally, orders can be searched using order ID or filtered by date range. After applying the filters, the wholesaler can click the search option to display the matching results, while the clear option allows users to reset and remove all applied filters for a fresh view.